Hello, leaders. Welcome to Digital Mandate, a platform where we spotlight visionary leaders who are shaping the future of business and technology. I'm your host, Nisha Sharma, and today we are joined by Rajesh Dutta, Head of IT at JMS Mining Private Limited. He is a seasoned IT leader with over 2 decades of experience across IT services, manufacturing, telecom, and FMCG. Rajesh has led large scale cloud transformations, SAP implementations, and infrastructure modernization programs. His expertise spans cloud strategy, ERP optimization, cybersecurity automations, all rooted in aligning IT with business goals and goals in complex, high performance and environment. Rajesh, thank you for joining us.
Thanks.
Yeah. So my very first question would be about what were your biggest technical hurdles during large cloud migrations, especially in the lift and shift stage? And how did you manage performance and latency in hybrid setup?
Yeah, so lift and shift in comparison to other migrations are straightforward in general, but there are inherent challenges which I faced also in my last organization. Uh, One is the performance in terms of network uh, or network response time. That was another challenge. Latency, I would say. Then when you go for a lift and shift, we don't have much of a inputs in terms of applications which are, I mean, monolithic applications which are going to be transformed there. Okay, so that needs to be factored in while doing a lift and shift kind of thing. Okay. Then security, cloud security needs to be adopted in lift and shift. So that comes some major challenges there, and also the data part also. The data transfer from data center to the cloud becomes sometimes a bottleneck in certain programs or projects. So these are the major challenges that we face generally in lift and shift kind of environment.
So coming to the next question, when rolling out ERP systems across multiple locations, what works best to keep data in sync and APIs in running smoothly across sites?
Okay. So for data replications, database replication is one of the methods that needs to be put in place. Okay. And also the routing part in terms of API routing needs to be centralized. So that is another part which needs to be taken care of in this kind of environment. And then also tuning of the APIs is another areas that needs to be considered for this kind of projects.
Great. So my next question is about as manufacturing connects productions with sales and operations. So what sensor or edge setups are working well for predictive maintenance and real-time insights?
So generally in manufacturing segment, we use smart sensors and also we use closed, near data center, what do you call, okay, in that case, okay, so that they connect because generally the plants are remote, okay, getting into a cloud straight away from plant becomes an infrastructural issue. So near centers would be basically would be much more beneficial in terms of doing this kind of migrations or this kind of setups.
AI is there. My next question is would be around AI and everybody is using AI and all. So with AI relying heavily on clean data, how do you standardize data across ERP, CRM, and older system to make it AI ready?
Okay, so getting into AI journey is something a bit a different one, where the data is a major role to play, where data categorization has to be done based on the enterprise size of the based on the size of the enterprise. And then also unification of those data is very important. And ideally, we generally do we put forward MDM solutions to make this data consistent across. Okay, and on top of it, then the AI model can be prepared and tuned. Okay, so this is a general, way forward for any kind of AI journey if somebody wants to take it forward.
So there have been new technologies and everything. Looking forward, which new technologies such as AI agents, in memory computing, or industrial metaverse platform do you see as having the most potential to reshape operations and foster innovations in the upcoming years?
Yeah, so these three technologies are very, very important in terms of uh, shaping this entire world, actually. Okay. If you talk about AI agents that you talk about, it acts like a co-pilot for you. Okay. Certain processes would be automated in that case, right? Now, the second technology that you talked about is what is the second technology? Is all about what do you call it? This prototyping of this entire thing. Okay, means making a digital twin of that. Okay, so AI and then in memory computing that you talked about. Generally, SAP HANA and all that, they use this kind of technology to process the data set very faster and get the insights of that data. Okay, and then the third one is basically, using a digital twin technologies. If you combine all these three and then becomes a, it will actually, impact the entire industry itself. Okay. So going forward, adopting AI, uh, and then obviously in memory computing is the latest technology that's been put forward, and digital twin technologies, which is generally being used in manufacturing for manufacture, even in mining also, where we are using currently. So we can actually, you know, simulate a lot of mining conditions. We are into undermines right now. Okay, so a lot of mining conditions can be simulated, which cannot be done in a physical way. So in our industry, also in mining, which I am currently in, a lot of these technologies that we are evaluating, specifically for safety, uh, human safety is very important in mining. Okay, so a lot of AI activities are happening here using camera feeds, video analysis, bringing those camera feeds into the digital twin is another area that we are also working on. So this will actually would be a game changer going here.
Okay, so my next question is in not in the questionnaire. So I wanted to know what is the most underrated technology you have seen that has the potential, but it didn't got much appreciation around the industry as per yours.
In industry, if you talk about industry, when we meet our industrialist, to whom we are talking about, bringing them, infrastructure, making them understand the importance of infrastructure and security is actually a challenge for us. Until unless it's not, you know, the investment doesn't happen at a right time. Okay, things doesn't move actually. Okay, and when it happens, then they realize. So this is an area of concern, that, and this has to be put in place on top of it. Although bigger industries have realized it and it is a part of board discussions, but yes, medium-sized industries are still struggling to actually uh, understand the importance of this particular technology.
Great, great, great. So one last rapid fire question: what technology means to you in one word?
Technology means it's an innovation for industries to make the industry move forward in terms of their own businesses. Okay, and make the life simple for them.
Great. So that's it from our side. Thank you for joining us. It has been a
Yes.
great, insightful discussions. Thank you.